to this exercise where you'll learn how to manage a full-blown project that has tens of text layers. This is the PSD you're going to be working on, and it's a design for one of my Android apps. Your task is to fix all these problems regarding font size, color, line height, positioning, and everything else that's type-related. This should take you roughly 15 minutes to complete, so set aside a bit of time and get to it. Here's a list of tasks to help you solve this exercise. 1. Install a font from Google Fonts. I've used Railway in this case, and your project will give you errors if you don't have it installed. 2. Adjust the font color so it matches its backgrounds. 3. Play around with the font size so all these headlines and paragraphs of text will look better. 4. Check the line height, aka leading, and increase it where you deem appropriate. 5. Center, align, and position these text layers correctly. Take this button as an example. You don't want this text layer to be touching this top edge of the button, right? So that's what this task is all about. 6. Improve the typography however you see fit. This is an optional task, but if you think you can do anything to improve this design, go for it. Okay, please pause the video and start working on the project. In the next lecture, I'll show you how I'd approach it, but please try it out for yourself.